What is the word order in Irish? Have you ever wondered how sentences are formed in the Irish language? The word order in Irish is quite different from what many English speakers are used to. Understanding this can really enhance your experience while traveling in Ireland. Irish follows a verb-subject-object structure, often abbreviated as VSO. This means that in a typical sentence, the verb comes first, followed by the subject and then the object. For example, if you wanted to say Sean is buying milk in Irish, you would say Síneán Sean Bain. Here, Síneán is the verb meaning buys, Sean is the subject, and Bain is the object meaning milk. The general pattern for word order in Irish sentences is as follows. First, the verb, which may include any preverbal particles if necessary. Next comes the subject, followed by the direct object, then the indirect object. After that, you can have a location descriptor, a manner descriptor, and finally, a time descriptor. To illustrate this further, if you want to say you buy butter, milk, and bread in Irish, it would be Síneán to im, Bain agus Aaron. This follows the VSO order perfectly. For those familiar with English's subject-verb-object order, this might take a little getting used to. However, this VSO structure is a defining feature of Irish grammar. Knowing this will help you understand spoken and written Irish better while you are in Ireland. It makes it easier to follow conversations, signs, or instructions you might encounter. Another interesting aspect of the Irish language is that it does not have a direct equivalent for the English pronoun it. Instead, it uses masculine or feminine pronouns based on the gender of the noun. This is an important detail to keep in mind when learning or listening to the language. So, when you hear or read Irish during your travels, remember that the verb leads the sentence, followed by the subject and then the object. This VSO order is a key feature of the Irish language, giving it a unique rhythm and flow that reflects its rich cultural heritage.